Hey guys, I'm in the middle of doing my makeup, hence I'm wearing the same top as in my previous video as I was reviewing and creating this makeup look using the NYX Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. I'm about to finish up my makeup look, but what I'm gonna do another quick review, and it's the NYX Wonder Pencil. So basically what they say that it's a concealer, the eyeliner and reverse lip liner in one. I mean 3 in 1, why not? Let's just check it out. I think as you see it's still brand new, sealed. Let's just do a quick swatch on the hand. I took in a color light. So for concealing, I think it's a perfect color. Blends easy on a hand so far. I don't have any product on my face yet. Actually, I'm lying. I got the Revolution Pure Blur Primer. So I got a proper rosacea and I'm allergic to quite a few things. So I got like an allergic reaction going on in here. So I'm gonna try to conceal with this to see if it do anything. And then I'm gonna go with my foundation and all. So let's just try. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm doing. Just blending with my finger. Just gonna do a few more blemishes in here. Blend a little bit out. Not too bad, not too bad. It actually might work, especially on like a little, breakouts. Alright, so for my foundation, I'm gonna go with the NYX Can't Stop One Stop in Medium Olive. Oh, it goes actually very nicely. I don't know if you are able to see in here. Miracle product 3 in 1. I mean, we tried only one part so far. Alright, so this Wonder Pencil by NYX definitely works as a concealer. Covered up my breakouts, it's like allergic reaction that I have at the moment. You can't see any redness going on or anything whatsoever. So I'm gonna finish off my makeup look and then I'm gonna come back to use to do the lips, to line the lips and to use this as an eyeliner for the waterline because this is what they say to do. So we're gonna check it out. So what I did, I just set the foundation with some setting powder, and before I'm gonna contour and all, I thought I'm just gonna do my lips first. They say reverse lip liner. I'm not really sure what it means, but I think this should be perfect for the outlining lips a little bit so the lipstick later doesn't bleed out. I understand this like that. I'm not sure if that's correct thinking or no, but we shall see. Okay, interesting so far because it's so bright. I don't know if I ever filmed the lip contour. I might do a video to show how I, make my lips look optically bigger. This is something I wouldn't do. I mean, I wouldn't go with a lighter color, so hopefully it's gonna work. But because it's a lighter color, the actual lipstick gonna pop more, so it's a plus, I guess. Trying to kinda blend this on my lids. So for the lipstick, I'm gonna go with NYX Lingerie and Ruffle Trim, my absolute favorite kind of nude color. Okay, it makes the lippy pop more. Wow, I think I'm loving it so far. I love it. The color looks completely different. Wow, you guys, like it changes the color of the lippy because it's lighter base. Okay, this Wonder Pencil keeps surprising me. So let's try for the waterline on the eyes. You guys, just check out the difference between the eyes. It definitely works. It is 3 in 1 Wonder Pencil. They were not lying by stating that on the packaging. It worked as a concealer. Look, you can't even see my allergy going on at the moment, the breakouts that I got due to the allergic reaction. You wanna know what I'm allergic to? You're gonna laugh probably. I'm allergic to citrus. So anything that will have not the citric acid, but the actual citrus, like lemon, oranges, mandarins, clementines, grapefruit, and all. Like if I would buy hummus, if I would make my own, I probably would have lemon juice. So if I eat something, especially if I eat out and it's one of the hidden ingredients, that's an allergy I get, unfortunately. But this thing definitely worked. It covered up. You can't see any redness or even, bumps. Yeah, it worked as a concealer. It worked as a reverse lip liner. You can see how bright the lip looks straight away. And yeah, it worked as a lip liner, like surprisingly, because when I started applying the lippy, it kind of kept it in the frame, if that makes any sense. And then as an eye brightener for the waterline, yeah, I can't see any bad words. I'm really, really surprised. This is, by the way, totally unsponsored. I was seeing this in the shop by the accident, and I seen like Wonder Pencil. I was like, how wonder it is, But yeah, it works, so thumbs up from me. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this super quick review video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried this already and what you would like to see next on my channel, and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao for now!